G'day folks, Jim Langlands here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for the 25th of May. Okay, well it was a little bit more of a range-bound day today. Greece and European concerns were left a little bit on the back burner today. There was no bad news out, and it was more about the economic data, where none of it was particularly good news. Out of Europe, the manufacturing and services PMI data was soft all round. Germany, France and Europe in general were all weak, and on top of that the German IFO survey came in weaker than expected as well. So that pretty much kept a cap on any potential strength for the euro. We did see a bit of a rally at one stage when there was some Euro-Swiss buying, quite a bit of Euro-Swiss buying, that spiked up to 120.70. There were rumours around that the Swiss are going to impose a tax on Swiss franc-based investments, but the cross didn't really hold its ground. It quickly fell back, and it's trading really where it was before, just above 120. It's about 120.15 at the moment. But that saw the euro top out at 126.20, and it's since come back down, and it's now at trading around 125.30. And to be honest, it looks like it's not going to move too far away for the time being. There's good bids ahead of 125 that are protecting an option knockout barrier, so I don't think we're going to see it go below there in Asia today. What else? Sterling, that also wasn't helped by its economic data. There was a downward revision in first quarter GDP, which was unexpected, so that put a bit of a lid on cable. That's trading currently around 156.65-70 area. The yen's doing very little against the dollar. It's trading at 79.60, but it's ratcheting slowly higher on the crosses. Euro yen got down to 99.35, I think it was overnight, and Aussie yen got down to 77 the figure. They both bounced slightly from there, but they look overall as they're heading lower. Aussie and Kiwi, they're pretty much at levels we saw yesterday. They failed to hold rallies overnight. The Aussie got up to 78.13 and Kiwi to 75 3/4, but they're trading around levels seen this time yesterday, and it looks likely to be a fairly quiet day ahead. And that really applies for most of the currencies. There may be a little bit of selling of risk assets later in the day ahead of the weekend, just on concerns that someone may say something negative in Europe. But no, that's really about it. There's not an awful lot of data out today either. I think it's German consumer confidence and the Reuters Michigan confidence survey, but that's really about it. If you do want to have a look at the more comprehensive outlook on the markets, though, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. Apart from that, please remember that any outlook here is a personal view only and not intended to be used as trading advice. So that's really about it today. So have a very good weekend, and we'll talk to you next week. Cheers.